Hello friends and welcome back to Experts Cafe. So today we would be covering an overview of an Excel. So this is first lesson. So let's get started. So in this video today we will be saying what is an Excel, what Excel does. So this would be an overview of Excel. So to start, first we'll see means whenever you open an Excel, what do you see? We'll see these small blocks. So this all these blocks are called are called cells in Excel. Okay, so you'll see here on this side all this alphabet. So these are called columns and these are rows. And each cell has a value. When I say value, they have a name. So if I have to refer to this cell, so this cell we referred as J11, and this cell would be C5. So this is how cells are referred in an Excel. And if you see below, you'll have some tabs, sheet 1, sheet 2, and you can further add using this plus sign, and it will keep on adding as many sheets as you want. And on the top you'll see a few menus here: home, insert, page layout. So I'll just give you an overview of what is each tabs are. So mainly on the home tab, you'll see mostly it is related to data formatting. So anything, if you want to change the font, or if you want to increase the font size, change the color, or change the text alignment, merge the cells, insert or format, anything related to formatting would be done here. We would be covering this in detail in our next videos. Next is insert. So insert, as it says, it's used to insert something. So what do you insert here? You insert some pictures, videos, or charts, or a hyperlink, text box, anything. When if you have to insert anything in an Excel, we'll use this option. So under page layout, it is more to do with how you want your page to appear. How means if you want some margins, so if you can select margins here, or you want certain colors to be shown on your on your page, or means in an Excel, or you want some kind of a background on your Excel. So all anything related to page layouts would be done here. Next is formulas. So as it says, so if you want to use some formulas, and it means in an Excel you have got numerous formulas, so you might not remember anything. Okay, so you may remember some of the common formulas that you use frequently, but not everything. But if you have some situation arises, and if you want to know if there's a formula in Excel or not, then we'll be using here. So you have got they have bifurcated the formulas in financial, logical, text. So based on your requirement, you can just go in and looking for your formulas. So we'll be seeing that in our following videos again, how to search for a formula. And then next is data. So this is again more to do with data. Anything you want to play around with your data, you want to sort your data, or you want to find any there if there are any duplicates in there, or if you want to group them according to some common categories. So anything related to data would be done here. That next comes review. So in review, it's more to do with, I believe, from what I have seen till now, it's more to do with protecting your sheet. So say for example, you have created something, and you do want you do not want any changes to be done in that cell. So if you want, if I go here, I press delete, this number would be deleted, this text would be deleted. But if in case you do not want that to happen, if you want to protect that, you can protect that using a password. So or you so that nobody else can change that. Okay, so I'll share that with you in our next videos. So next is view. So here it's more to do with how you want to see your screen. So when you're working, so you have some requirement that I want my screen to be in such a manner that I should be able to do my task. So if you want to do it in a normal screen, or if you want two the screen side by side, if you have to work, So it all depends from requirement or situation to situation. So all your screen would be controlled from here. And developer, it's again a core menu, I would say, and it's more to do with inserting any additional functionalities which are not available in here. So you still have got some hidden functionalities if you want to insert a video or something to with Flash or web browser. So that can be done from here. So we'll be covering this as well in our future videos. And in the first, if you see, this is file. So this is now from home to developer. It's more to do with what you have inserted here, all the data that you have inserted. But now you have a file. So we are working in a file, right? Now all options related to a file will be here. So if you want, you can protect your file, or again, all these options are there. And if you want to create a new workbook, you need to just click on new and you have different options. So you can go ahead with your blank workbook, or Microsoft also gives you access to some of the free templates around. It's more to do with calculators. Okay, I wouldn't recommend you going with this, because if you want to learn how to excel in how to master the Excel, then you should be able to prepare such calculators by yourself. And I'll, in one of the sessions, I'll cover how to prepare this calculator. It's very easy. It's just some of the formatting that you have to do, along with that, some of the formulas that you have to use. Then this preparing this calculators is very easy. So if you have a very urgent requirement, you can always go with these calculators or templates that are provided by Microsoft. Then open, if you want to open any file which was already saved somewhere. Okay, so have different options. Either you can open a file from your computer or your drives or from sites. Okay, and you can save it from here and save as, print your file, and you can share it with anyone through email, or you can present it online. So these are some of the options. And if you want to export this file into a PDF document, or if you want to change the file type, and if you want to close this from here, you can just directly close it. So in this training, I have covered an overview of Excel. I have shown what are the different menus that you can see in an Excel, and what each of these menus does, and what are the different functionalities you can have in an Excel. So in my future, so this was more of an overview video. In my future videos, I will be covering all these menus and all the functionalities which I have shown you today in detail. So you'll have detailed free training videos in future. So I encourage you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We would be releasing training videos every Sunday. So if you have subscribed to my channel, you will get notification directly in your inbox. If this video was helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions for me, please leave me a comment below. I read all the comments and reply back to my subscribers. And if you want to learn specific topic in Excel, or you're struggling with some formulas or anything in Excel, please comment below, and I'll ensure that I'm preparing a video on that. You can also like me on Facebook. Just type in Experts Cafe Excel. So whenever I release any new free training videos, I even post it on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, you'll get direct notifications in your inbox itself. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. So stay tuned and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.